Ushuaia, fin del mundo. That means the end of the world. Ushuaia is the southernmost city in the whole world.
Ushuaia is the capital of the Tierra del Fuego, a group of islands located at the tip of South America. When the early European explorers passed by in their ships, they saw many bonfires built by the natives, so they named it the Land of Fire, or Tierra del Fuego. Ushuaia is also known as the gateway to Antarctica, where most of the expedition cruises begin.
The Christmas spirit is alive and well in Ushuaia, Argentina. We've got Santa driving a forklift. There's a little village of lots of little shops where you can sign up for tours.
We signed up for a tour of the Beagle Channel. Before boarding, we saw this cutie in the harbor.
Hey, buddy. We are at the Lighthouse at the end of the world.
These are the rock cormorants. Oh, there's babies. Here on one of the islands in the Tierra del Fuego. You can see Ushuaia back there. These look like little tiny apples, and they're called devil fruit. Right over there is Olivia Peak, the highest point in the entire area. The inmates helped build the roads, bridges, and buildings in the city of Ushuaia. They also built the railroad that took them to the forests to log trees for firewood. The railroad is still used today, which now operates the end-of-the-world train to the national park. The St. Christopher. This tugboat was stranded opposite the town of Ushuaia because the company went bankrupt. The bank seized the vessel and the trial took so long that there was a complete loss. Nowadays, the ship remains as a symbol of sunk ships in the area. That's the one we saw. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Whatever it is you want in life, make sure you want God more.